am the General Secretary of Braves Educate Society. Welcomes Mr. Kaushik Nath, a film and sound restoration expert who has 15 years of experience in audiovisual media. He has worked in a number of TV channels including ETV, OTV, News 7, Voice of India and Doordarshan as a visual editor, creative producer and post-production supervisor. He was involved in producing number of ad films, short films and documentaries for many corporate houses and government sectors. Since last 5 years, he has developed skills in film and sound restoration sector. He has got the formal training in film and restoration at Kolkata, Hyderabad and Mumbai, organized by Film Heritage Foundation, International Federation of Film Archives. He has restored 3 Odia films and many old film posters for Culture Department, Government of Odisha. I again welcome Mr. Kaushik Nath and all the participants on Zoom and YouTube. I hand over it to Mr. Kaushik Nath for the lecture. Mr. Kaushik Nath, please.
Thank you, Rahulji. Thank you, Bharat, and for inviting me for this lecture. And basically, this is not a lecture. We'll discuss many things. The participant and the host, everyone will discuss about the film restoration, how to preserve our film heritage, so that our future generation can watch it, can see it, how the great filmmaker have done so many incredible things. So this is basically a discussion, and we'll go through our question and answer session, and also you can share your experiences if you are in the field of filmmaking or post-production or color grading, whatever. So we all are joined here to discuss about the film restoration process, which is very vital in these days. And we have already 100 years of cinema here in India and in regional sector also, like Marathi, Bengali, Tamil, Telugu, Odia. These film industries are also near about 100 years. So lots of films are here and to show our future generation. And this is the right time, because day by day we are losing our film heritage. So every moment, if we will waste any 1 second, then one film will go to the waste, will go to the bin. So this is the right time, and this is the vital time to preserve our film heritage. So this is film restoration is not a perfect science. It works with science, but it is sometimes we can get failure. So we know we are dealing with some fragile type of material, which is very sophisticated, and so time to time, when with the effect of nature and the atmosphere, so these materials are going to the wastage. So we have to think about it. So I think all participants here are maximum from the background of filmmaking or whatever, I don't know. But everyone has a interest to make films, and to means everyone is interested into the filmmaking sector. So today I will show you one thing in my section, but here you see some of the negatives of film are how it is, in which condition you are. You can see this. Can you see, everyone? This is the
Yes.
condition of the film. When we scan it in a scanner, so this type of lines so are there. So we have to, our work is how to remove it and make it, we cannot get the original thing, but we, maximum possible, we can make it like, look like original. So you see, after this is the original film of the negatives, and this is the restore version. So you can see the difference here. So this is our work, and this is basically very time taking and not very easy things, because it's small mistakes. If you will do a small mistake, then we will lose all our properties. And so I can show you another thing. You see, this is the film Pather Panchali. I think almost all Indians and must have know about this film, because this is the film made by the great legendary Satyajit Ray, and in 1955. So this is the film that they take it to the international level, and they recognize the filmmaking of India in international forum. So when in 1980s, in some accident, so this original negatives of this Pather Panchali was in a lab, so it is totally destroyed. Some of parts are there. They have taken to Los Angeles, and there one company has started it, restore. And after that, we can see the restore part of this Pather Panchali. So I can share a screen here, so you can see how it is look like after the restoration. Can you see it? My screen. Yes. You see. Can you hear the audio?
नहीं, ऑडियो नहीं आ रहा है सर.
Audio नहीं आ रहा है? So, okay, you see, just you see the video part, how they have made it after restoration. You must have seen it in black and white, not in color, but you see the small clips. So I want to stop it here because it's a long video clip. Now you see in my screen. In my screen, the same thing. This is the black and white version of the Pather Panchali scene, and this is the restored and color version also. So this is the difference, and our work is to how to restore it in a proper manner. And now I can show you something. Okay, let's discuss about the film. How to, you must have know that the film are, the negatives are made of some chemicals, materials, and some due to some weather condition, bad weather condition, and it is going destroyed day by day. Sometimes it's may be physical damage. Physical damage means when you are handling from, we are taking the canes from one place to another place. So maybe some accidents, maybe some pressure on the cane. So it get damaged. Then shrinkage also due to moisture. The film are very much fragile things. So this is very much important how to care of the film, care of the cane. So I can show you one picture so that you can understand how the condition of the film is after the weather condition. You see, okay, Mr. Rahul, can you discuss with other people also who are joining me, or I will say only the lecture part?
Yes, sir. बताइए.
जी. Anyone want to join me with our discussion? Anybody from filmmaking?
हैं अभी 2-3 क्वेश्चंस हैं, इतने में क्वेश्चंस ले लेते हैं.
Okay.
कौन-कौन सी ऐसी फिल्म्स हैं, the best films which are already restored?
हाँ, very good thing that we should know. Yeah, we should know about the film which have restored already. So this is very much film. We will get started with about to restore that film, and like one film is there of Farhan Akhtar, Dil Chahta Hai. Same condition with that, Dil Chahta Hai original negative is not there according to our database. So once we'll get the positive copy of that from anywhere of that film, we will start restore it.
Kaushik ji, there are many questions which are repeated. So just leave these repeated questions. You can move further.
Yeah, right. So can you show some demo how to restore the digital film reel? Actually, this is a software-based thing. So film reel and the software-based restoration process, it is not possible to show you in this Zoom class. It is very much lengthy process, and also we need so many technical things like a computer and all the to clean the reel, to fix the reel. We need so many things. So in a workshop, it is possible to how to show you how to fix the film reel, how to repair the reel, and how to scan.
We have Kaushik sir. We'll come together in physical mode, and we will go for the physical workshop one day.
Exactly. That is needed very much. So we can collect all the damages things, and we can fix there, and we can have a good workshop there also. So that is very much important.
Right.
In Zoom in class through online, we can see the process by video only. We cannot do it here.
So there is one question. In India, where film restoration is done?
Film restoration is done in many individual studios are also there. They are doing restoration, but proper restoration only one company is doing. That is Film Heritage Foundation in Mumbai. Okay, they are doing in collaboration with International Film Archive (FIAF). So they are doing so many restoration work they are doing, but so many private studios are also there who are doing restoration, but day by day it is increasing, and some lab like Prasad Lab in Hyderabad and Chennai, they are also doing restoration process. In Kolkata also they are starting restoration of some their historic films. So it is increasing day by day, the restoration. You can also do your in restoration process by setting up your own setup at home. You can start it from a small thing, from a photograph. You can start your restoration process. Yes, Bharat. Another question is there, Mr. Krishnan Singh. I want to know that the Mughal Azam film been restored yet or not. Actually, that is film. There is, I think, in my knowledge, there are positive and negatives. I think they have done it color, and also when they are doing the color version of the film, they have must distort it because that is a historical film. I think they have restored it properly. Yes, please write name of software. Yes, I will write. I will say give you the list of software through which we can make the restoration work, digital restoration of the sound and of the film, obviously.
कौशिक जी,
हाँ जी.
क्या ऐसा हो सकता है कि आप कुछ एक दो सॉफ्टवेयर्स के नाम बताएं और जो लोग इंटरेस्टेड हो
हाँ जी.
वो उन सॉफ्टवेयर्स को अरेंज करें और फिर एक वर्कशॉप की जाए ऑनलाइन in 1 or 2 hours?
Yeah, definitely. One software is there which is easily available. That is DaVinci Resolve. Okay, Blackmagic DaVinci Resolve. That is the software. Easily you can download it, the free trial version, and you can do it at your home. Restore some and doing the color grading also you can do there. So this is the software. You can get it very easily. DaVinci Resolve.
ये सॉफ्टवेयर डाउनलोड कर लें सभी लोग और एक
हाँ जी.
इसी तरीके से जैसे हम जूम पे ये कर रहे हैं तो इसी तरीके से एक ऑनलाइन वर्कशॉप क्रिएट कर
it can possible. Everyone should have to download that software DaVinci Resolve from Blackmagic website so that we can do it small video clip, small film clip we can take and we can do it restored there.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Next
Sampath Mahapatra is telling that physical workshop is essential, which we are now talking about that also. So it is without a proper workshop, we cannot do it properly because it is very important thing how to handle the film cams, how to handle the negatives, how to repair the negatives. It is very physical process and also chemical. We do have to do it properly and carefully. Without a proper workshop, we cannot do it. Only we can discuss about this now. Mr. Satyajit Padi, Dr. Satyajit Padi, he was asked that what are the physical cleaning process to follow before scanning the reel? Dr. Padi from Whistling Wood International, Mumbai. Welcome, sir. You have a great question here, how to clean the physical reels. Actually, according to the condition of the, according to my knowledge, we have to first observe the condition of the film. So how damaged it is, how much damage, how much the percentage it is also, we have to recognize the film, which type of film is there, which chemical reaction is occurred there. After that, we can do some chemical process, like we can put it inside a glass vessel. We can put that negatives and put some silica gel. Then it can absorb the moisture from the film reel. So that after some days, we will measure the weight of the film reel also. When it will going lighter by lighter, the moisture will absorb by the silica gel from the vessel, from the reel. Then we can see whether it is eligible to scan in the scanner or not. then we can do it. Some other processes are also there, and some chemicals we can add there, so that the condition of the film will increase to scan in a scanner. Mr. Tinandan Mishra, when you organize a demo distribution process, can possible without going to a studio. Yeah, you are right, Mr. Mishra, because in a studio, in a live workshop, we can see all the things, we can experience the practical things. Otherwise, this is not possible to restore in a Zoom class. So definitely, Mr. Rahul, you arrange one workshop so that we can gather there, we can share our knowledge there, so that we can restore our film heritage.
Sir, it is possible after COVID-19.
Yeah, definitely, sir. Definitely.
Not possible before these issues.
Yes.
But we can do online. We will do it online.
Online digital restoration, like through a software. We can restore the film and we can restore the sound. We can repair the sound. That we can do through online. But after this situation will go better, then we can do the workshop. Yeah, physical workshop, that will be beneficial for all of us. Because I have attended 3 workshops in last 3 years. In 2018 at Kolkata, there are 5 countries, 100 participants from 5 countries are there: India, Bangladesh, Bhutan, Nepal, Myanmar, and all people, film lover people who are going to restore their film in their country. They came there and they have learned so many things. I was also there from my state, and 21 faculties from around the world. They came to train us how to different parts, how to recognize the film, how to handle the film, how to scan the material, how to digitize the material. Everything they have gave us the training within 1 week, so that we can able to do so many restoration work at our state. So at Hyderabad also, from people from Sri Lanka, they are very much worried about their film, because in Sri Lanka they have many films, historical films they have made, but there is no proper way to restore the film. So that the government of Sri Lanka sent many officers from Sri Lanka. They came there to Hyderabad workshop, and they learned there about how to restore the film in a proper way, so that the future generation can watch it. And so they many countries from Afghanistan, many people came up from Afghanistan. So I was attending 2-3 workshop in Mumbai also. I attend about the sound restoration. How lots of today I saw in on social media that someone has lots of 300 of audio cassettes. Okay, so this is the you cannot now, there is not proper device how to play the audio cassettes. So how to restore it in a proper way, so that your private, your personal sound clip or video clip, they are restored in a proper way, and your future generation can see it. So physical workshop is needed. And Rahul, any question from others?
Sir, क्या हम glitches को हटा सकते हैं? Can we remove glitches from the videos?
Up to some extent we can remove the glitches also, but we have to see how much damage that film is or the videotape is. So we have to first scan it properly in a proper machine. We have to scan it. We have to make it in a digital format, and then we can fix it through our digital restoration software. So after watching the condition of the film, then we can make sure that how much we remove the glitches from there.
Sir, is it possible from digital films or we need cassettes, or we need negatives?
No, digital films are the digital, this last 10 to 15 years, digital films are made. So these digital films are not very much damaged till now. So digital film are in a good condition. So we are worried about that film they have made from 30, 40, 50 years before. They are made in negatives. They are made in film. So that's why we are worried about that, how to preserve that fast. Digital are only 10 to 15 years old. So we can get good copy of digital. Also, one thing when you ask, I am saying you that when there is glitches in a videotape, that is, so we can fix it also through some software. Up to some extent, we can remove the glitches.
Okay, there are some questions related to restoration.
Yes.
People are asking, what is the need of restoration?
Need of restoration means I am coming to your personal life, like you have some photographs of your grandfather or grandmother. So that is your asset, and that is you are connected emotionally with that photographs. So you want to restore it to show your generation, next generation. So that is that's why restoration is needed. That is your personal thing. And the film, if the film is a historical film, and the films are historical things of our life, so we have to restore it. The government is now very much worried from state government, government of India, how to restore the film of our great filmmaker. So restoration is very much needed from film restoration, and also the
NFI has taken charge to restore all the films of India.
Yes. Sorry.
I'm saying, Kaushik sir, that NFI has taken charge
Yeah.
to restore all the films.
Yes.
If people get chance to visit NFI Pune,
Yes.
so they can see the process and they can see how films are restored.
Yes, definitely.
Yeah.
Definitely, you can go to National Film Archive of India, and there you can see different process, how they are doing some process to restore the films. And also they are arranging some workshop time to time in different states also. And there you can get training about the restoration process, and you can apply it in your state also.
Okay, well, there's another question that people are asking. Can we get internship to learn these things in NFI?
NFI giving the internship to the film studies people, like who are doing PhD in film studies, and also the PhD in that museum archive, like this type of thing in subject, who are doing PhD. NFI is giving them opportunity to work in restoration process. You have to go, it's an educational process. Anybody cannot enter into that process, because if you are in that particular field in a preservation of photographs or documents, you are working in an archive, or you are working with film restoration, so that you can get a chance to work with the National Film Archive of India.
So one question is this, what are the problems encountered in audio restoration?
Problems are in various types, like when there are various types of format when you are using the recording of sound, different sounds. So in some negatives, we can record the sound. In magnetic tape, we have recorded many sounds. So many magnetics, hi-8 cassettes, magnetic tapes are there in sound. But when we are going to restore it, main problem is to the recorder and the device. In which device we will put that cassette and taking the digital output. That is main process. We cannot sometimes like one example I am giving, like the VHS cassette. In our childhood, we have seen the video and a VCP is there, VCR is there. We put the VC cassette and we see the video. But nowadays you cannot get one of the device. How to play that cassette in a device? So that is facing where many problems in restoration, during restoration, because proper scanner, you cannot get the scanner, you cannot get the player, how to play in that device, and you can take it the digital output. So these are the problems of the mainly problem is the device, the machinery.
Mr. Koshi, the other question that people are asking, how can we make our career in film restoration? Means how can we adopt?
Yeah, film restoration actually different states, like Marathi film industry, Tamil film industry, and Telugu film industry, Bengali film industry, Odia film industry. They have lots of films are there to restore. Many films are in their archive, so that they have not proper and technician to train technician are very few. Trained technicians are there to restore the film. So if you will do the proper workshop, you will take the proper training from the proper good institution, good university or good workshop. If you will train, then you can make your career with the restoration of films in collaboration with the state government or any good archive.
Any another question from anyone?
What about the NFI restoration process? I had been to there in December. Actually, sir, Dr. Satyajit Padi, I have never visited to NFI, but I have visited to Godrej Film Archive, Mumbai National Film Archive, Film Heritage Foundation, Mumbai. But their restoration is going on, and in some government projects are there. They are doing so many works in photograph restoration, sound restoration, film restoration, documents restoration. They are doing so much thing. So I think you have visited there. You must have so many experience there. Okay, Mr. Bharat, any question?
Sir, what are the softwares do one need to expertise for these restorations?
Yeah, I told you some software about the softwares that for film and for sound restoration we need different softwares, like I'm telling you Joto type one software is there. Another is I'm saying you for video restoration there are hello.
Yes.
For video restoration, there are softwares like DaVinci Resolve, and that is a very good software, so that you can get it easily and restore your scanning material there and give output to 4K or 2K resolution. Another is AlgoSoft. AlgoSoft is available in internet, so that you can download it and you make it your restoration work. Diamond is a paid software. You have to purchase it. You can do color grading there. You can repair. You can remove the dust, remove the dirt, blur, sharpen, regaining or noise removal. Many things you can do in Diamond. Blackmagic also you can do the color grading and the dust remover. Many stabilizing. Some pictures are always like flicker like this. So you can stabilize that picture to the steady. You can make it steady. So many softwares are there. CinePaint is there. In Mac computer, in Apple, you can use CinePaint. And PF Clean is there. PF Clean is very good software. It is very easy to handle. Okay, so for sound restoration, you can get Kedar Studio 7. That is a very good software. Sonox is there. Sonox Restore software for sound restoration. Okay, any question?
Sir, Aaron from YouTube, you want to ask which university have digital film restoration courses?
Unfortunately, no. I think, according to my knowledge, no film institute or university is there for film restoration. But some university are there which are now offering course for document restoration and photograph restoration. But except National Film Archive of India and Film Heritage Foundation, and there is no other university or educational institutes are there who are offering film restoration. All are teaching filmmaking, but after making the film, nobody care about that. Where the film gone, where to keep that film. So nobody is bother about that, how to keep the film in a proper manner or how to restore our old heritage. So this is, the university should start, the government of India should think about it.
Sir, one of our participant, Anand Eja, wants to ask, like a library profession, there is a need of this type of film, this type of course, or it will incorporate with the library information science.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, course means this is because this restoration process starts recently, and we are now thinking about our national film heritage, how to preserve it. But in library or in archive, they've started it much before, how to conserve the photographs, how to preserve the documents. But so there is no library or archive who are doing film restoration. Only National Film Archive is there to restore the film in Government of India, and some private studios like Prasad and Film Heritage Foundation, they are doing restoration work. And you don't need any profession like library profession is there to film restore. You need only good workshop. You have to attend good workshop, and you have to work with good archive, film archive, so that you can restore the film. Sorry.
Thank you so much, Mr. Kaushik.
Yes.
आपने बहुत डीपली चीजों को एक्सप्लेन किया है, और मुझे लगता है कि हमने लगभग सभी लोगों के क्वेश्चंस जितने हम लोगों के पास आए हैं, हमने उनको कवर करने की कोशिश की है. कुछ रिपीटेटेड क्वेश्चंस हैं तो हमने उनको नहीं लिया है. तो आई थैंक यू.
सर, एक मिनट, भरत सर, डॉक्टर सत्यजीत पाड़ी वांट टू आस्क समथिंग. So Dr. Satyajit Padi, you can ask.
Please say, Dr. Padi, please say.
Yeah, good evening. I am calling from Mumbai.
Yes.
As I know that there are 3 steps. Number 1 is the cleaning of the material. Number 2 is the scanning or playing. And third part is the software.
Software, right.
Software comes very much after that.
Yes, sir.
But I find that people are really interested in software. Whereas they are skipping the 2 steps. First, you have to take care of the material. Then you have to pull on a person who can have the scan. Pull on an institute who is having the scanner. Because those are the costlier items which are not available, which one institute can't procure.
Definitely.
I'm working with this institute since last 15 years. And with the help of some outside agencies, we able to restore all our 12 guys super hit movies.
Yes, definitely.
Yeah. So that's what I want to say, that software is the part 3.
Part 3. You are absolutely right. Actually, first how to handle the film, how to recognize the film, how to that how much damage is there, and how to fix it in a proper way so that we can scan it properly. So that is the second thing. And third part is how to repair it in a digital software, or how to fix it in digitally through a software.
Yeah, thank you.
Yes. Thank you for your kind information. Yes, Bharat.
Rahul sir, please wind up.
Okay. Thank you. Lots of thank you to all of you, and please stay safe and stay at home so that we can meet another time and we can have a workshop. Mr. Rahul said that we will very soon will make one workshop, digital workshop.
Definitely. We will arrange some workshop, physical workshop. Where we will
physical workshop. First we will do
a feeling of the film restoration of the film part.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you all of you.
Thank you all. Thank you all to join this web lecture, a very informative lecture by Mr. Kaushik Nath. Thank you so much.
Thank you.